Lighthouse for Life family, it's Whitney and I am here at the harbor. I wanted to first give you a tremendous shout out for how you showed up at our recent Midlands Give campaign. Because of your generous donations, we were able to raise just a little under the $30,000 goal that we had. Thank you so much for showing up, not just with your tangible gifts, but also with your prayers and the way that you guys have been coming alongside us in this fight for a while now. The other thing I'd love to do is to share a few testimonials from survivors, right? That's why we exist, and that's why you guys continue to invest in us, because you want to see the impact of what Lighthouse for Life does in the lives of people who need to be put back together. And so our first story is from one of our survivors who came to us last summer. Hard to believe it's already about to be a year. But she moved into our transitional home immediately. And guess what, guys? She finally has her own apartment she'll be moving into next month. Stay tuned for more information about that. But I wanted to read something that she wrote in a recent review that we had our survivors do about our program. This is what she had to say. I was scared when I first entered the program that I would have to conform to their idea of religion. Instead, I was solely loved upon and given the freedom to find my own religion, and they never changed how they treated me or spoke to me before or after I found Christ. Truly respectful and loving workers. Everyone working at the program understands that each of us survivors have very different needs and expectations. They are all fully supportive and loving and amazing in meeting me where I am. I have never had such an amazing group of people who genuinely want to see me succeed and find my happiness and love me for who I am while helping me figure out exactly who I want to be. I have had nothing but full support from everyone there. I was scared to work one-on-one with a care coordinator, but she has become such an important part of my life. Some who, for the first time in my life, I know I can trust and has the purest intentions and respect for my decisions and feelings. Amazing group of people here. We are just so incredibly proud of her and are really excited to see and walk with her through this next phase of her life, and we know you guys are too. Our second story is from a survivor we had the privilege of hoping to have some adverse credit information removed from her report due to her trafficking situation. She was unable to secure housing and leave the area where she experienced trafficking because of it. And this is what she had to say after we were able to assist her, and not only that, able to provide funding so that she could pay for that first month's rent at her new location. She said, "I could have been just another file on your desk, but no." So she commended us for listening to her, believing her, and blessing her beyond measure. And we know that every praise goes back to God, who blesses and enables us to abundantly care for the needs of survivors. And we thank you for your investment, because without your support, without your prayers, without you showing up, we couldn't do the work that the Lord has called us to do. So thank you, Lighthouse for Life family. We appreciate you.